Smart learning for all.
How do nails grow? A nail consists of many different parts. The visible part of the nail is called nail plate. Nail plate lies on the nail bed. Can I sleep on that bed? Oh, just listen. Matrix is the area where nail growth originates. It lies below the skin. Matrix has specialized cells which keep dividing and creating nail cells. The nail cells grow and produce a hard protein called keratin. Then, these keratin-filled cells are pushed forward as more new cells are formed behind them. Eventually, the keratin-filled cells die and flatten to form the nail plate. The hard keratin in these dead cells gives strength to the nail and makes it hard.
But what is the use of these nails?
Nails protect our fingertips. Moreover, by observing the condition of our nails, doctors can get clues about our overall health. For more educational videos, please download Smart Learning for All Android app from Google Play Store.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel